Today we talk about how can you change your username on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here in this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just click here on change username here. So then you come to next step here. Then here you change your username here or add it in this list. Click here on save. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.